They say snake plants are nearly impossible to kill. But what if I told you they can clone themselves? 3 simple methods, and each one feels like watching nature perform a quiet kind of magic. The first method feels almost like alchemy: water propagation. Take a healthy leaf and cut it at the base. Let it rest for a day so the wound can heal, then place it in clean water, deep enough to cover the cut end. Change the water every few days, and within weeks, you'll see white roots swirling to life beneath the surface. The second way is simpler: soil propagation. Instead of water, plant the leaf directly in a well-draining mix. Keep the soil slightly moist, and give it bright indirect light. It may take a little longer, but when new shoots emerge, it feels like the soil itself is breathing new life. And the third, division. For plants that have grown wide and strong, gently remove the root ball and separate the clusters. Each section becomes its own plant, a living duplicate, ready to thrive on its own. It's the fastest, most rewarding way to multiply your snake plant family. So, which method will you try first? Comment below, and watch how your single plant becomes a story of growth, renewal, and quiet magic.